Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing saved passwords on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Passwords. You will have to enter your Mac's user password to continue. On the left here, you can see your saved passwords. Select a password by clicking on it. Click the minus icon in the bottom left, then click Delete Password on the pop-up that appears. You can also delete a password by clicking on it, and then tapping Edit in the top right. Click Delete Password in the bottom left. Click Delete Password on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.